Hello everybody, so it is 12:30 and I've started this vlog quite late because for the first time in what feels like forever, I had a lay-in. I had a really long lay-in and it actually felt amazing. Although I do love to get up early, like get my day started, but as it's a Sunday, like I've needed a lay-in, I needed to catch up my sleep and I haven't been able to do that. So I'm so happy that I had a lay-in. I can't even tell you how happy I am. So yeah, it's quite late now, although I've literally done nothing. I put on my makeup and you may think, oh my god, Stephanie, you have so much makeup on today. And I don't know, like I just started my makeup today and then I was just watching like makeup tutorials and stuff on YouTube. That just got me thinking, actually I feel like just going out and doing all my makeup like really extreme. And so I've got like blue eyeshadow on, if you can kind of see. And then like I put like a shimmer over the top and I actually really like it. And I think it might be like a look I might do for like New Year's Eve. So if you want to like see that, although I obviously will add something different to it, then comment down below, because I'd like to do a New Year Eve makeup tutorial. As on New Year's Eve I always like my makeup to be very extreme and like shimmery, like have loads of shimmer, be really glittery. So it's a look that I love to create. So yeah, today, well normally I tell you what I'm doing for the day at the beginning of the vlog. I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I know I'm going to the gym later. I was going to go to town because I need to look at Jake's Christmas present to see if I definitely like it in real life. But I only want to go there for that reason, and I don't just want to like be looking around town on my own. And I don't want to be in town for long. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do because I can't really bother to go. So I might go tomorrow after school. So decisions, and I think I may film today if I don't go, but I'm not too sure what to film, to be honest. I'm trying to think because it's really hard, because I'm not really sure if you guys want Christmas videos or just like normal videos, because as I absolutely love watching Christmas videos at the Christmas time, but some people don't celebrate Christmas, so not just that as well. Everyone's doing Christmas videos. I feel as if some people may want to see the normal old videos, so I'm going to try and do a mix. Also, if you're watching this, you may have seen, if you haven't seen, go check it out, my main channel video that went up today now, but for you yesterday at 5 PM, which is 40 facts about me, which I think you guys may enjoy because you'll get to know me better. And if you're watching the vlogs, you probably already do know me better because you're literally just watching my life. So yeah, go check that out if you haven't already. I'm going to do some editing now. Oh, also, so if you saw the vlog yesterday and I said to you I thought I deleted Final Cut, oh my god, no I haven't. I've saved up my whole problem I've had on this time on the Mac. I've deleted it, and oh my god, I'm so happy. I have so much room now, so I'm not going to be stressed out, and it's all going to go well, and you guys can get videos on time and a lot more videos and a lot sooner. And actually at the moment I'm literally just editing and filming all the time. So like this is why this Saturday and Sunday it may have been like a bit more boring vlog, like indoors, but that's just because I want loads of videos to go up on my main channel over the Christmas and New Year's time. And also if you're watching this, just to let you guys know, I will be vlogging every day since I break up, which is next Thursday, until New Year, like the end of New Year, yeah. End of New Year until New Year. So I'm gonna go get some lunch, as I haven't had any yet. I'm gonna take some of these disgusting things I've got in my room that I did for a video with Ebony, and my room is trash. I still haven't tidied it, and I have no light in my room because this, as pretty as this light is up here, it does absolutely nothing at all. So I have to use this big light here, which is really annoying. So I'm gonna go get some lunch. I have my hair like all pretty, you can't see the light now. So I'm gonna go get some lunch and put these away. Then I need to tidy my room and edit some more. Is that on light? No, it's done. Wait. Basically, I really fancy making gingerbread men. I don't know where these go. I really fancy making some gingerbread men, but then I'm not sure whether to, because I wanted to do it for a video, and so I'm not sure whether to do the video now, but then I don't really have time because I've got so much editing to do. But then I might just make it anyway, but I need to wait for my mum to get back from Asda, which means I can't do it till like 2 hours anyway. We have no food, and this is literally all we have in the cupboard. So I think I'm going to grab myself a nice Nutrigrain, if I can even grab it out, which is impossible with one hand. Okay, yum. Oh, you're back? What absolute perfect timing. I'm just saying I'm hungry. Yes, then. Oh, pardon?
We've already got dinner.
Oh, we're having a roast. Oh my goodness. Oh no, my plat's fallen out. It's because I've been laying in bed just editing. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna make some gingerbread men. I'm not sure. Should I? Shouldn't I? I don't know. Mum, I really want to make gingerbread men. But yeah, we've got a roast, so that's gonna be good, and I can't wait. This is why I love Sundays, because you get a good roast, and I'm having to hold this up. Oh my goodness, look what my mum's just got. Oh yes, it is a big, big gingerbread house. It looks chocolatey. Is that chocolate on top, or is it just a gingerbread house? Is it a chocolate gingerbread house? I'm not sure, but it looks amazing. We've got 2 of them, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to make gingerbread men. I'm going to make a gingerbread house with someone else, but I'm not too sure yet, so I need to figure that out. Right, so I'm taking the dog out for a walk on my own, so I've just got my joggers and this baggy jumper, which is all from Pink, and I look a bit... Let's just say I have not got the nicest outfit on at all. Why am I so red? Oh my goodness. Oh my god, how funny now. As I've just curled the front bit, this was just crinkled and it is so ugly. Wait, and this side here. Oh my god, that's so weird. I did not think it would crinkle, but only having it in that long. That is so weird. I think I'll have to shove my hair definitely up. Right, so I'm just getting ready to go out for a walk. But look at my brother and his girlfriend. Ready? Shh. They're both fast asleep.
Wait a minute. What am I supposed to live on? I mean, what's going to happen to me?
How cute are they asleep? Mom, they actually look so cute, them two that are asleep. Have you seen how they're sleeping? Yeah. Aww. Bella, walkies! Walkies! Yeah! Where's the lead?
I know.
Oh, there. You excited? Walkies!
Okay.
Walkies! Hey, wait. Bella, come here there. Where are you going? Oh my god, move. Come on. Yeah? Oh my god, stay still. Why is she staying still? I can't even find her thing. Oh, Mum, she don't have one. Have you used this collar before? So I can't seem to find a thing to connect it with. Oh my god, Bella! What absolute no. She's not staying still. All right. Go for a walk, Bella. No, Mum, don't make her more excited. There you go. Yes. Always hit her in the face. Come on, Bella, walkies. Bye, everyone. Oh my God. Bella's actually decided she's going to take herself for a walk. Come on, Bella. Oh God, she don't want to leave now. Bella. Come on then. It's really irritating her, just having the lead there. Oh, look at her. She's such a good dog, but she's so boring. Right, so this is what Bella does. She runs over to the stick, have a little sniff, and then she don't come back with it. She just sniffs it until you call her, and she never comes back with a stick. I don't think she has ever... Oh, she's picked it up. I don't think she's ever come back like with a ball or a stick in her life. See, there we go. Where's the stick, Bella? What have you done? What have you done? Go get the stick. Go get the stick. Come on. Where's the stick? Come on then, go get it. Yeah, she's having absolutely none of it, as per usual. And I am actually dripping right now. I thought it was going to be freezing, and it's not. I feel boiling, and I have a beanie, a coat, and a huge scarf that I've now made my mum carry, because I'm so hot. But I don't want to take my beanie off. But I am boiling. That's all I can say. Why are you laughing at me? Why? Right, so it's 5:45 and I am tired and I have pretty much done nothing today. And today I thought, you know, I'm going to have a nice relaxing day apart from the gym, although I didn't go to the gym. I'll explain why in a minute. Well, actually I don't really have a reason, I just couldn't be bothered. But I thought, you know, nice relaxing day, I can get some work done, do some editing, because I've filmed so many stuff that I'm going to because I want to put loads of videos up on the Christmas holidays, because you know everyone gets bored in the Christmas holidays, and you guys love to watch my videos, so I wanted to put loads up then, a lot more than I usually do. Oh, my hair's such a mess. So yeah, so I thought it'd be a really relaxing day, get loads of work done. Actually, no, it hasn't. I've been at home, so Mum's like, oh, Saffron, can you do this? Saffron, can you do that? And actually all I've been doing all day is housework. So, and just like chores and stuff. So it hasn't been such a relaxing day. I'm doing editing and I get, Saffron, can you come do the dishwasher? And I'm like, oh my God, Saffron. So actually I prefer going out, and I didn't go out because like it was so cold. Although I've been bored all day and I've been wanting to go out, it's been too cold to go out. Although I did go walk the dog and I was boiling, but that was like later on in the day. What why are you coming in?
I was going to talk to you. Right.
Okay, come in. Come on, have a little chat. No, Dad, come and have a little chat. Dad, my hair is the biggest. Look, I look like I've rolled out of bed.
And mine, look.
Yeah, look at yours.
Doing that.
Hey, Dad, what was you going to say to me? Oh, my
Bad internet connection, but...
Bad internet connection?
I've just been on the phone to her. So...
Yeah, why is it bad internet connection?
No, we've changed the channel, so it should be okay. If not, we'll have to...
What, now? Yeah, because I'm supposed to be going on you now soon.
No, that's why I've been on the phone to her, because I know she was.
Yeah, thank goodness. I've been trying to, like, do so much stuff and it's taking forever. We have the worst Wi-Fi. Now, right, hang on. We used to have
BT Sports.
We used to have really, really good Wi-Fi. Then suddenly my dad wants this BT Sports channel. So we all had to change our Wi-Fi just so he could have this channel.
Yeah, worth every penny.
No, it is not worth
Anyway,
every penny.
I've changed the channel.
Also, another thing I wanted to talk about. My video's gone up. And yeah, 1 second. My video's gone up, and honestly I have replied to so many comments, nearly like every single comment now, and your support is amazing, so thank you so much. And I feel as if with this video you guys will get to know me a lot better, and it's 40 facts about me, and I really like the way that I edited it as well. I spent a really long time on it, so I really hope you guys do enjoy. If you haven't watched it, then the link will be down below. Okay, Jed, say hey.
Hello.
Case.
Hello.
This is Nicole, this is Casey's girlfriend from Brazil.
It's me.
It's me. Oh, I'm so excited for my dinner. I've been waiting for so long. I'm not even going to video anymore because I want to eat it. Yum. Right, so I'm on you now right now with all these lovely and amazing people that have come and said hey. Let me just get them in the comments. If it focuses, is it going to focus? Everyone say hey. Was it focus? There we go. See. Hi Amy. Hi Morgan. Hi Maisie. Hi Scarlett, hi Liv, hi Shannon. See, look at all these beautiful people. They're so lovely and they're all here to come say hey. And my top fans here, Lucy, if I can scroll across. Can I scroll across this? I can't scroll across, it's not letting me scroll across, but yeah, these absolutely amazing people. I hope I got loads of you in the vlog, I think I did. And look, they're all saying hey now, which is so cool. And we're already trending, which is so cool as well, and we haven't been on long at all. So hi Chloe, hi Sarah, hi everybody, hi everybody. It's practically 11 o'clock now and I just went and filmed a video because I felt like it, and it's so late and I just felt like doing it. And it actually is going to be on my vlog channel either before this or after this. I'm not too sure which time I'm going to put it up, probably like 6ish, so this will probably be on before, so go check that out as well. So basically I was just looking down my Instagram like comments that people have asked about my teeth whitening, and I just thought since I have the time, why not give a little review now. So it'll be a really short video, so if you want to know a bit about that, then go check that out. I would put the link below, but it probably will be on after this, so go check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you. Oh my god, I won't see you on the weekend. Oh my god, I'm going to see you before because I break up on Thursday. Oh yeah, I will see you Thursday. Bye. Actually, before we end this, I will see you Thursday, but I was just thinking, actually, I'm going to see you all on Wednesday because I have a main channel video up with Ebony Day, and honestly, it's hilarious because we laugh more than we talk in the whole video. Literally, it's just us cracking up, like crying. I think it's hilarious. I've literally, that's why I've been editing the whole day, that one video. And I'm about to go edit it now, as well as this vlog and the video that I've just done for my vlogging channel as well. So literally my life is just editing right now, and I'm just so excited for what next year brings as well, and the Christmas holidays, because I just want to upload as much as I can for you guys. I just want to get so much out there, so yeah, that's it. So I will see you guys Wednesday.